problem, Dr. Raven?
It's General Klowns. We spent all our money and budget for the complete season on making it rain.
Shit. Isn't there a way where we can get more money from the budget of Crazy Clowns themselves?
No. Boardman spent the rest of the money on Aqua Boardman and Lost in the Dream Dimension.
Shit.
We're gonna have to make do with no money for the season. Dr. the Raven, you killed my brother! Sorry, but you're thinking of a different Dr. the Raven. Oh, I'm sorry, wrong person. My bad. It's okay, no problem, dude.
Rumors are that it was boy Gerbil who was in that horrible car crash.
Oh my god. I heard 20 people died in that car crash.
I heard it could have been more, but what do I know, right?
That surely is tragic.
Very, very tragic.
Aren't you supposed to be doing an operation on Boy Gerbil?
Oh, shit.
You know, we didn't even need to really make it rain for this scene. We could have filmed it indoors.